Hello everyone, I am Gohao Huang. Today I will introduce the analysis of Pearson correlation in Unit 12. The example we are going to introduce today is the Technology Acceptance Model TAM. Commonly used in TAM are perceived ease of use, perceived usefulness, usage attitude, and intention to use. Perceived ease of use may affect perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, and perceived usefulness will affect usage attitude, and usage attitude and perceived usefulness will affect intention to use. Usually we have different ways to verify it. One of the ways is to first analyze its correlation. If there is an example where perceived ease of use affects perceived usefulness, there must be a correlation between them. So if they want to have a causal relationship, they must be correlated. But correlation does not mean there is causation. Today we are just going to verify whether they are related to each other. If we want to analyze the correlation between different aspects, we can press Analysis, Correlation, and Bivariate in SPSS. Because correlation refers to whether there is a correlation between two variables, it is a bivariate. Let's take a look at this example. From here, click on what we want to compare 2 by 2, which is these 4 averages, and pull it over. Then check the correlation coefficient and click on the two-tailed test. Then press Options. In the options, we check the mean and standard deviation, and then press Continue. Then press Confirm. The data that comes out looks like this. Let's take a look. The diagonal must be 1 because usefulness and usefulness are the same, so its correlation coefficient is 1. The correlation coefficient between ease of use and usefulness is 0.703. The significance is 0.00. In fact, it has reached 3 stars. The correlation coefficient between usage attitude and usefulness is 0.821, which is also very high. All the significances of this are very high, all 3 stars. The correlation coefficients are 0.703, 0.821, 0.695, 0.719, 0.632, and 0.860 respectively. Then we sort it out, and the table in our paper will look like this. The correlation coefficient between perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use is 0.703, which is 3 stars, and then this is 0.821, which is 3 stars. Then there are 3 stars here. We should mark below that the 3 stars are less than 0.001.